Ini plan kita agar bisa kejar produksi untuk pengiriman ke Singapura minggu depan. Tim produksi, segera buat dan selesaikan rencana produksi untuk 6 hari ke depan. Karena kita harus mengejar output 2 kali lipat dari biasanya, maka dalam 6 kali 24 jam, produksi harus dimaksimalkan agar dapat memenuhi peningkatan output yang dibutuhkan. Tim accounting, periksa arus kas perusahaan saat ini dan segera selesaikan perencanaan anggaran secepatnya. Segera selesaikan berapa banyak modal tambahan yang kita perlukan untuk penyelesaian produksi ini. Tim sales dan marketing, koordinasi dengan departemen terkait supaya dokumen penting buat penjualan dan perizinan bisa segera diurus. Pastikan semuanya selesai dengan baik dan tepat waktu. Lastly, tetap keep in contact dengan klien sampai produk diterima dengan baik di tujuan. Dengan solusi digital yang terintegrasi, setiap perusahaan dapat mengoptimalkan potensinya untuk tumbuh lebih pesat dan meraih kesuksesan. Mekari, power your growth.
Everyone, and welcome to Mekari Conference. I think you guys have already seen a bit of a showcase how the Mekari ecosystem can help companies to run their mission critical work department by department, a bit like Mission Impossible style, right? So for today, I want to share a bit further on how we envision Mekari ecosystem can help to power your business growth. So before I start into the Mekari ecosystem, I want to put a bit of a context. From Mekari side, I think we believe that the goal of a company or business is to achieve sustainability. How they can achieve sustainability is to hit these two main objectives. The first one is basically increasing the revenue, whether it's through improve opportunity, improve leads. Second is improve the number of sales or deals to be closed. And lastly is improve customer satisfaction to improve retention. The second objective, I would say, is reducing costs, which is through improved productivity, making sure the resource that they allocate is within the correct bets. And lastly is to achieve compliance. This is basically to make sure that business longevity is achieved through compliance. And I think from Mekari side, we believe to be able to achieve those two objectives, companies will need to juggle 4 main resources. The first resources that we believe is important is your physical resource. That's your inventory, raw material, equipment, buildings. Second resources is your human resources, basically your employees that's running the company's day-to-day operation. Third resource is your IPs or intellectual resources that includes your customer, vendor database, SOP, processes. And last but not least is your financial resources, which is your cash and credit to make sure that you can run your business properly. We believe through Mekari ecosystem, through the wide range of our product portfolio, we'll be able to go and manage the operation of business and go through this resource allocation and make sure the resources is being managed well. So to distill, from Mekari side, we believe that we can help businesses through 3 main values. The first one is improving the productivity of a company. The second is to give actionable insights through making sure that all of the resources it's within Mekari platform, we can give informed decision for business to create strategic decision. And last but not least is to do the strategic resource allocation that basically from those 4 main resources, companies can easily see where's the resource allocated. They can do the planning, and then they can also check how the realization compared to the planning. Okay, so I'll go through the value one by one, a bit of a use case. So I'll start with improve business productivity. Before I start, I want to share a bit of data from our side. So if you see the first one, our journal user, which is our financial operation and accounting solution, 60% of companies that's creating invoice in journal is getting paid within less than 1 month. For our Talenta user, 80% of companies that usually do running their payroll between 5 to 7 days to complete can streamline it into less than 2 days. And lastly, for our contact user, they can improve their first response time. 70% of them can improve their first response time for chat support. So we can really see by implementing case by case, even like one vertical product by product, there's improved productivity for companies that implement system. So from my side, I think for today, I want to share a bit of the use case, not only product by product, but it's the multi-product or the Makari ecosystem. We'll start with first use case. The first use case is more on customer sales journey. So the customer sales journey for us, usually it can start from omni-channel that can be supported through contact. I think majority right now, a lot of the sales inquiry comes from WhatsApp. So it's a huge channel that we support. So sales inquiry will come through WhatsApp that can be shown within our omni-channel page. Next, the sales team can easily just check the availability of the stock and directly create invoice within Makari Journal. From Makari Journal, after the invoice is created, they can automatically share the invoice directly to WhatsApp and give this invoice link for customer to be able to check their invoice detail, making sure it's correct. And then, if they want to pay, they can pay directly to our Makari Pay that support multiple payment methods. And after all the payment is done, for the business, they can easily just check or reconcile the money coming in through their transaction within the accounting platform. So that's the full use case for the customer sales journey. Second use case for improved productivity, we also have our HRIS, which is Talenta, that manage employee onboarding as well. So usually for employee, before they onboard into another company, they will need to be able to be sent employee contract. So employer will send employee contract and making sure that the employee and the business user already signed the employee contract. So through Talenta as well as Makari Sign, we can actually automatically using a template, share the employee contract and monitor the progression of this electronic signature. After it's completed, then it's going to be easily onboarded within Talenta for the new employee. Within the document contract management as well, we can get another use case, which is the journal invoice creation. Right now, for invoices more than 5 million, I think legally we need to be able to put e-materai to make sure it's legally compliant. For us to automatically automate this, we actually integrate Makari Journal with Makari Sign, so the invoice will get automatically attached e-materai without for company to need to print out the physical document and then put e-materai there and physically sign it. So it's seamless from different product, from Journal to Makari Sign, you just generate the e-materai. Second value is the get actionable insights through data visualization, aggregation, and goal-centric report. I want to share a bit of just one single use case. There's a lot of use cases, so just one simple use case. So it's more understanding cost realization by department. Through Makari Talenta, we actually can set up different payroll components to be able to be put in different chart of accounts. For other expenses outside of the human expenses, we can actually put it in Makari expense. In Makari expense, we can put as well and map it for department cost allocation. After all of the expenses for human resource as well as non-human resource is being implemented, we can actually map all of that expense generated within Journal, which is our accounting platform. And business owner or CFOs can really monitor easily the profit and loss for each of the departments. So all of that expenses that happens within HR for payroll, non-HR can easily be checked and monitored within the whole Makari ecosystem. Last value is the strategic resource allocation. In here, I think before for the generating insight, it's more retrospective, right? But for strategic resource allocation, it's on more future-driven, where basically companies need to be able to do like yearly planning and making sure that this plan is actually getting realized. So within the use case, we can actually create a budgeting for yearly planning within each chart of account within Journal. From that budget, we can actually allocate the manpower needed for each of the project that yearly companies need to do through Makari Talenta, so it's easily known for each department how many resources that they need. For non-manpower as well, the expenses can be put in Mercari expense and put allocation by different department through different chart of account. And lastly, for each period, each monthly period, business owner or CFO, they can really see how the budget is getting realized and making sure and getting control whether each of the budgeting is correct or is basically above or below the budget allocated compared to the realization. So if you see the whole Mercari ecosystem, in conclusion, we already have a broad range of product portfolio that touches different products, and it touches different departments, it touches different resources through HRIS, through omnichannel, and all other product portfolio. Our vision is basically to be able to get those resources within one main data platform that will power our report builder, report visualizer, as well as AI-generated report. Also, in the scope of Mercari ecosystem, we don't see only our internal products as part of ecosystem. We believe that integration with third-party provider, other application development, indie developers, or even banks is important for our ecosystem. So we're actually open for any integration to enrich our ecosystem. So for Mercari ecosystem that's integrated, we have more than 50 integrated partners. We are also integrated with 5 top ERPs and 6 top banks integrated with our Mercari ecosystem. To be able to support that ecosystem, whether it's internally developed or third party, we need to be able to have a strong engineering system, very strong technology, which actually we will want to share a bit. That's why I want to invite my colleague Shrey to share a bit about the technology. Thank you.
Thank you, Avi. Hi, everyone. Good morning. So my name is Shrey Shukla. I'm the CTO at Mercari. And today I want to talk to you about some of the challenges that businesses face in their digital transition journey and how Mercari can help you overcome those challenges. So perhaps you have faced one of these dilemmas, right? So are you able to provide seamless online experience to your customers and to your employees? Are you confident of the data that you store online? Are you confident about that security? Also, there's so many rapid technology advancements that are happening. Are you able to keep up with the technology trends? And are you able to implement the right technologies for your company? So how can we help? I'll break it down into 2 simple strategies. The first is providing robust fundamentals for all the products that we build. So for example, we provide stable and scalable architecture so that your business can grow without worrying about servers, without worrying about scale. You can just use our products and be sure that it can scale with your business. We do that by automatically having multiple layers of redundancies in the infrastructure so your clients have a seamless experience. Another one is security. So we follow robust security practices out of the box that you get in our products, which includes role-based access controls, which includes routine security assessments for our platform, and also includes sensitive data protection by using encryption. But that is just the fundamentals. The more interesting part is how we are able to innovate. So we constantly explore and experiment with new technologies so that we are able to provide you with solutions which impact your business efficiency and customer happiness immediately. So as an example, we have integrated artificial intelligence in our contact chat, which can help make the chats look more professional. It can help summarize the chats immediately. It can also, and do much more, actually, NLP, bots, many more things. So storing the data securely is just one part of the problem. The second problem is to actually make that data valuable. So we use state-of-the-art databases, which can help you organize and search data quickly. These databases can also help generate insights immediately so that you can get value out of that data, and it can help you make the business decisions faster. Those were just few examples how technology is powering the products that we deliver to you from Mercari. If you would like to know more about the technology behind, please feel free to reach out to us. That is all for my presentation today. Thank you so much.